Hello students. Now today also we will continue with this topic, active and passive voice. We have already discussed some rules in the previous video for this active and passive voice. I have already told you definitions of this active and passive voice, what do you mean by active voice and what do you mean by passive voice also. So again we are continuing this topic, some rules. The subject in active voice becomes object in passive voice. The object in active voice becomes subject in passive voice. I have already told you the transformation of sentences from active voice to passive voice shows that subject and object's positions will be interchanged. Object will be new subject and subject will be new object minded. And then third rule is by is placed before the new object. Whatever you are forming this new object, you have to place by before this. Main verb. Next fourth rule is main verb is always in third form. Main verb will be always in third form. Then some changes are made in the tense also. Tense is changed. What type of changes will be there in the tense? Just see. If your sentence is in indefinite formation, indefinite, it doesn't mean that present indefinite only. Present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite, it doesn't matter. Any of the indefinite formation, indefinite or simple you can say, indefinite formation of active portion will use the when you will convert in passive formation, then in passive it will use helping verb. HV means helping verb of continuous. Okay, continuous, you will be using helping verb of continuous. Okay, then if your sentence is in continuous itself, then what you will do? अगर आपका कोई भी सेंटेंस जो है वो कंटिन्यूअस में है पहले से ही, चाहे प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस है, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस और फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस, एनी ऑफ द थ्री, then what type of changes will be made? When you will convert this sentence of active voice in continuous formation in passive formation, then passive formation it will use helping verb of continuous with plus minded. हेल्पिंग वर्ब वो अपना यूज करेगा प्लस बीइंग, BEING with being to it. Then if your sentence isn't perfect, अगर आपका कोई भी सेंटेंस परफेक्ट टेंस में है, चाहे कोई भी परफेक्ट हो, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, पास्ट परफेक्ट और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट, इट डजेंट मैटर एनीथिंग, परफेक्ट में है, जब आप उसको पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, then helping verb of perfect it will use its own helping verb. अगर present perfect में है तो has or have will be used, any of that. उसके बाद you have to attach been to it, BEEN, been to it. continuous में BEING यूज करना है and perfect में BEEN, been यूज करना है आपको. Okay, and there is no change in perfect continuous. कभी भी perfect continuous का किसी सेंटेंस में कोई चेंज नहीं आता. अगर वो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस है तब भी, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस है तो भी, एंड फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस है तब भी कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं आता. यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट जस्ट एज इट इज रिटन. यू डोंट हैव टू चेंज एनीथिंग इन दैट. ओके, नाउ through one example I'm going to explain you clearly how you have to change this active voice. Already in the previous video I have cleared how you have to change, but now also I am going to tell you how you have to convert a active sentence into passive voice. Just as an example we are taking, this is the active sentence. She changes her clothes daily. Just see this sentence. She changes her clothes daily. Okay. Then how you will convert this sentence? This is your subject. First of all, separate everything. This is your subject. Then verb. Then her clothes daily is your object here. Okay. Then what is the change? Subject and object की position change हो जाएगी. Okay. तो her clothes. अब यहाँ पर टेंस देखेंगे कि किस टेंस में आपका सेंटेंस है. चेंजेस, एस इज यूज्ड इन द लास्ट, दैट मीन्स प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट का सेंटेंस है. एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड इन द रूल्स दैट प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट विल बी यूजिंग कंटिन्यूअस हेल्पिंग वर्ब. तो हर क्लोथ्स आर more than one, right? So we will be using are to it. Then change is the first form, but we will use here third form in the passive voice. It's the rule. Changed by her. She is the subject, but when it will come to the object's position, it will become her. Her, and then daily is attached to it. Now your sentence will be, her clothes are changed by her daily. Clear? This will be your sentence. Now some of the some more changes are there. What type of changes are there? In modal auxiliaries, like if your sentence carries can, could, may, might, तो उस टाइप के सेंटेंसेस में किस तरीके का यूज करेंगे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. जैसे अगर आपका सेंटेंस गिवन है कैन से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, कैन इज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब, सॉरी मॉडल गिवन है कैन. You can lift this box. So how you will change? This box is the object. It will come to the subject's position. This box. And can रहेगा. उसके पीछे अटैच हो जाएगा be. B-E-B. Lift is the first form of verb. Then third form use करेंगे lifted. And new object जो आएगा आपका you is the new object. तो by before that. Okay. This type of sentences you can see. लाइक इम्परेटिव सेंटेंसेस गिवन रहते हैं अगर कभी, जैसे एक्टिव में लव ऑल, इट्स द इम्परेटिव सेंटेंसेस. तो इसकी स्टार्टिंग हाउ यू हैव टू डू, लेट ऑल बी लव्ड बाय यू. यू इज अंडरस्टूड कि कहाँ से यू आ रहा है. वी डोंट हैव एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, वी डोंट हैव एनी सब्जेक्ट, तो यू इज अंडरस्टूड. किसी से तो कहा ही जा रहा होगा, सो इट इज यू हियर. Don't show me the pictures. Let the pictures not be shown to me by you. You is understood area. These are the main topics of active and passive voice. Exercises of both these chapters, direct and indirect speech and active and passive voice, will be given to you afterwards. Thank you.